Okay, let's dive into Britannica School. We're going to enter through our middle tree here. And to find our topic, we're going to use this search bar, almost as if we are doing a Google search, but better. Google will give us the articles that have the most views. Britannica School is going to give us articles that have the most information about our topic. So if I click on my first topic here, it means that Britannica School feels this is the best one for that search. Now, when I enter, I have the ability to change reading levels. If I start to read and I find it's a little too challenging for me, I can adjust my reading level. If I find I'm not getting as much information, I can make it more challenging. I can explore other images that if I am doing a Google slide or another type of project, I can use these images and I can cite them using the Britannica citation. And I can also explore other articles related to this topic. Now my article provides some tools for me. I can make the font smaller. I can make it bigger. I can listen to the article.
Rosa Parks, nee Rosa Louise Macaulay.
I can translate the article if English isn't my first language and I'm struggling with some of the terminology. I can send this article to someone I'm working with through email, or I can save it to my Google Drive. I can print the article if I feel more comfortable having a paper copy in front of me. And then my favorite, I have a citation generator. So when it's time to create my works cited, it's easy enough for me to get my citation, whether it's MLA or the other types. All right, enjoy your exploration.